Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your hands. Whether you're playing video games, typing, writing, or gardening, as one of your most frequently used body parts, your hands can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the super soft for the hands, but you can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize your usage for your own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while you're treating your hands. I recommend the reverse grip because of the control and feel it provides. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your hand, we recommend the following protocol. Move the Theragun along the entire length of your palm and fingers at a moderate pace for 30 seconds. Then flip it over to the back and apply to the back of the hand, then switch hands. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your hands, we recommend moving the Theragun along the entire length of the hand for 2 minutes. Applying the Theragun for 1 minute to the palm of the hand, then for a minute on the back of the hand. Using your Theragun all over the muscles, back and forth, side to side for 2 minutes total. Repeat this regimen on the other side when you're completed. Remember, we want the Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find what works best for you.